Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Google account to Google Advanced Protection, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google account page. Sign into your Google account using your email and password. Once signed in, locate the Security section in the left-hand menu. Select Security to access your account's security settings. Scroll down to the Advanced Protection section. Click on Get Started to initiate the enrollment process. Read through the overview of Advanced Protection and its benefits. When ready, click Enroll. Follow the instructions to set up 2 security keys. You will need at least 2 security keys for this process. If you don't have a security key, consider purchasing one or using your mobile device as a key. Once you have your security keys, insert one into your USB port or connect it via Bluetooth. Follow the prompts to authenticate your key. You'll be asked to provide a backup method for account recovery. Choose an alternative recovery option, such as a backup phone number or email address. Once you've set up your recovery method, review your settings and click Next. Complete the enrollment by confirming your choices. You will receive a confirmation that your account is now protected. Take a moment to review the additional security recommendations provided by Google. Make sure to enable alerts for suspicious activity. Congratulations, your Google account is now connected to Google Advanced Protection. You can revisit the security settings at any time for further adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.